Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about the topic probability. First we know that what is probability. To discuss, first we consider a random experiment capital E and a sample space capital S and any event connected with E B capital A. Suppose sample space S contains n elements and event A contains m elements, then we get probability of A equal to number of outcomes in favor of A by total number of all possible outcomes in S equal to MA by NS. Therefore, P of A equal to M by N. Now we will know what is sample space. It is the collection of all possible outcomes of an experiment E. Sample space is generally denoted as capital S. Now we know what is mutually exclusive events. Consider two events A and B are said to be mutually exclusive if probability of A intersection B equal to 0. That is, A and B, these two events cannot happen simultaneously in a single trial. Now we know that what is sure event and what is impossible event. An event A is said to be sure or certain event, that is the possibility is 100% if and only if probability of A equal to 1. Probability of A equal to 1. And the event A is said to be impossible event if and only if probability of A equal to 0. Now we discuss some important rules. Number 1, for any event A, probability of A will become enclosed 0, 1. That is 0 less or equal to probability of A less or equal to 1. Number 2, probability of A plus probability of A complement, this is equal to 1. Here probability of A complement is the probability of the opposite event of an event A. Number 3, if A subset B, then probability of A less or equal to probability of B. If A and B be any two events connected to a random experiment E, then probability of A union B equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Now we discuss some problems using this theory. Number 1, if probability of A intersection B equal to 5 by 13, then find probability of A complement union B complement. To get probability of A complement union B complement, it can be written as probability of A intersection B এর whole complement. This is equal to 1 minus probability of A intersection B equal to 1 minus the value of probability of A intersection B given 1 minus 5 by 13. This is equal to the required probability becomes 8 by 13. Next problem. Number 2. For any two events A and B, so that probability of A union B less or equal to probability of A plus probability of B. Since probability of A intersection B greater or equal to 0, because we know that probability of any event lie between 0 and 1. That's why we can write 0 less or equal to probability of A intersection B. And also we know that probability of A union B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. After simplifying, we use the value of P of A intersection B. Then it will become 0 less or equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A union B. That is P of A union B less or equal to PA plus PB. Hence proved. Problem number 3. A coin is tossed 3 times in succession. Then find the probability of getting 2 heads. Here we find the elements of S, that is S equal to HHH, that is head head head, HHT head head tail, HTH head tail head, and so on. Therefore, number of event points in S, number of event point in S equal to n of S equal to, formula is 2 cube, as here the experiment is coin tossed 3 times succession. If it is 4 times succession, then n of S will become 2 to the power 4. In this case, it will become 2 cube. This is equal to 8. N of S equal to 2 cube equal to 8. Consider A be an event of getting 2 heads. Then the elements are HHT, HTH, and THH. That is, number of possible events in favor of A will become 3. Hence, the required probability P of A equal to MA by N of S equal to 3 by 8. Next problem. Problem number 4, and this is the last problem. 2 dice is thrown, then the probability that the sum of the faces equals to 10 each. Option number A 1 by 12, option B 1 by 3, option C 1 by 36, option D 1 by 18. Which one is correct? Answer. Here n of S equal to number of all possible outcomes equal to 6 into 6, that is 6 square equal to 36. If we consider the problem 3 dice is thrown, then n of S will become 6 cube. Here n of S 6 square. Consider A be an event of sum of face is 10. Then the elements of A will become 5 5, pair of 4 6, and pair of 6 4. That is, the number of event points in favor of A is 3. Hence, the required probability is P of A equal to MA by NS equal to 3 by 36, and simplifying the result will become 1 by 12. Thanks.